Discover exciting sports without a ball and learn their names in English in just seconds. Archery. She practices archery every weekend in the park. Boxing. He is training boxing to become stronger. Cycling. They enjoy cycling along the river on sunny days. Diving. She loves diving into the deep blue sea.
For more tips, subscribe our channel.
Fencing. He takes fencing lessons twice a week. Gymnastics. She can do many gymnastics moves like flips and jumps. Horse riding. He goes horse riding every Saturday morning. Karate. She is learning karate to defend herself. Rock climbing. They try rock climbing on the big mountain. Rowing. He rows the boat fast during the race.
For more tips, subscribe our channel.
She practices wushu, a Chinese martial art. Skating. He enjoys skating at the ice rink in winter. Skiing. They go skiing in the snowy mountains every year. Snowboarding. She is good at snowboarding on steep slopes. Sprint. He runs sprint races at the school track. Surfing. They like surfing the waves at the beach. Swimming. She swims every morning to stay healthy. Taekwondo. He practices Taekwondo to improve his skills. Wrestling. They watch wrestling matches on TV together.
For more tips, subscribe our channel.